Hi, welcome to Trini Bites. This is our liquid therapy series. I'm gonna make a Caesar, spicy Caesar. I have all my ingredients here. We have the rimmer, where you can rim the glass. I have some hot sauce. Normally you use Tabasco sauce. I have the peppers, which is pickled. The Clamato juice, if you can get that. And the Worcestershire sauce. With the celery stalk. Slice of cucumber. My ice. And of course, number one ingredients, the vodka. So I'm going to take the rimmer and put some on this bowl here. Then I put the glass, dip in some ice. And get it wet. Rim the glass now as well. So it's all in the glass. What I'm going to do is throw 1 ounce of vodka. Absolute vodka. You can use any vodka if you have. Glass, the appearance Worcestershire sauce. I use quarter of a shot glass. Get it in. Also I put my ice in. Lots of ice. The hot sauce, you can use Tabasco sauce as I said before, but this is scorpion pepper I'm going to use. Clamato juice here. It's Clamato, the original. It also has spicy or the works. Stir him up. Celery stalk. I'll put my celery stalk in. Slice of cucumber and a little bit one of the pickled pepper. So that's what I call a spicy Caesar. That's our number one drink. There'll be more to come. So I'm going to take a taste. Look at this beautiful drink. This is good for a hangover as well. You have a hangover, you go to the bar, or you can make it home like how I'm making it here. So give me a Caesar, spicy Caesar. And this is it. It's also called a virgin Caesar, no alcohol. Plain old Caesar. The ingredients for the Caesar is going to be in the description. So let us know what drinks you like to see in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.